promise I have a lucky coupon. And then he has my name on it, Promise class KGE, roll number 40. And then the coupon has the number on it.
Hi.
Laptop.
It's a laptop. So where did you win this laptop? Your father Davis gave you the laptop, but you won it where? In the school fete, right? In the Don Bosco school fete, you won it, right? Huh? And it was a second prize. Huh? So are you happy about it? Are you happy about it?
You guys got the laptop?
Yeah, we got the laptop.
Hi guys. Hi. So yeah, I have Prince with me in this particular video, and you must have seen the previous clip as well. So Prince, tell them what this is all about.
I got this laptop from the lucky draw of my school fete.
And what is the name of your school?
Don Bosco.
Don Bosco Dilwa. Okay. So yeah guys, so yes, this is a thing that there was a lucky draw in the school fete of his school the last Sunday, and there was a lucky draw competition, and he won it fair and square. It was the second prize, and he won that particular lucky draw as well. So yeah, I actually have not seen what configuration and what are the things that is there in this laptop, because I want to be as surprised as you all guys. So let's go ahead and quickly unbox this particular thing. What do you say, Prince?
Let's do it.
Okay guys, let's go ahead and quickly unbox this particular thing. Over here I have to use my knife, as you can see. Yes.
Whoa.
So yeah, this unveils the laptop over here, as you can see. And apart from that, here. Okay, nothing else in the box. This the simple setup guide, as you can see over here, and this is the charging brick. Let me just go ahead and open it. So yeah, this is a charging brick, as you can see over here. It's powered by Lenovo. Its manufacture date is February 2022. And yes, just a second, I just need to check the watt power for this. 45 watt charger. Okay, so this is a 45 watt charger, as you can see. And yes, the quality, yeah, it's simple. It's not bad. It's not the best either. But anyways, let's go ahead and open this thing. Okay, apart from that, over here I will see, we can see a safety and warranty guide as well. So let's go ahead and get rid of the cushioning from the laptop. So Prince, how do you like the laptop till now?
It's super cool.
It's super cool, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, that's it guys. As you can see, this is a very cool laptop. As you can see over here, it has a grayish glossy matte type of finish. It's not fully matte, it's not fully glossy, it's somewhere in the middle. So yeah, the Lenovo branding is over here, as you can see. And over here this model and the serial numbers and stuffs like that. And the fans I can see from here as well. And yes, should you do the honors of opening the lid?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so Prince is doing it.
Wait, I cannot.
Use both your hands. Both your hands, both your hands. Yes. So remove this. Okay. So this is the first look of the laptop. So yes guys, as you can see over here, this is the laptop itself over here. And yeah, let me see the keyboard. Yeah, it's decent enough. It's decent enough. Yeah, it's very it's good. It's actually good, considering this will be used by my son. So yeah, should we go ahead and power on the device? You do it. Come on, you can do it. Come.
Alright.
Yeah. Love it? Just once, yeah. It's not powering on?
Oh, there's no charge.
Okay, there is no charge. Okay, let's go ahead and charge. And so we'll be back after some time, okay? Okay, since it's charging and there is no charge left over here, let me give you a physical configuration overview. Over here you will see that the charging is going on. That is the orange light, the orange LED light. We can see over here. We can find one HDMI port over here, 3 USB type A port over here, and over here the audio jack port, and also the micro SD card slot. Okay, no type C. Anyways, that's not a deal breaker. We can get an adapter for a type A, right, Prince?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, the top actually gives a very good feeling, I can say. Okay, just opening it. You want to try again? So power on the device.
Alright. Yes. Oh.
Yeah, it's powering on. You can see the LED light over here. Okay, yeah. So yeah, as you can see that it's loading free draw DOS. So 1 2 3 1 unit disk over here, enter new date and stuff like that. And yes, this does not comes with any loaded OS. So yeah, it's MS-DOS.
Yeah.
And as long as we are with the configuration overview of this particular laptop over here, this particular thing comes with a Intel N4020 1.2 GHz CPU. It comes with 4 gigs of RAM, 256 GB of SSD, an integrated GPU, and a 14-inch display, as you can see over here. And the 2-cell battery. Operating system is OS DOS, and the product name is Lenovo V14 IGP. So yeah, this will be it, guys. It's a quick unboxing video for my son, and yeah, this is a laptop that my son will be using because he has won it fair and square from his school fete, right, dude?
Yeah.
So you're happy about it?
Yeah.
Don't worry, I will set up the Windows in this particular laptop. Okay, I will make a separate video for that as well, how to set up the Windows using the USB pen drive and all.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, so say bye, guys.
Bye.
That will be it, guys, for this particular video. Stay subscribed to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, because very soon a lot of interesting updates are going to happen in this particular channel. So yeah, bye for now.